Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open Pixellab and import the photo. Make sure you duplicate the background so you can undo easily. Once done, tap Layers and identify the text layer. If it's editable text, simply delete or hide it. If it's flattened, select the background duplicate and prepare to use the clone or paint tools. You're starting with the cleanest layer to avoid pixel loss. This first pass keeps your edits non-destructive and reversible. Now switch to the clone tool and tap to sample nearby clean pixels. This copies texture and color from a similar area. Make short, varied strokes. Don't drag one continuous motion, so you blend edges naturally. If lighting shifts, sample from multiple spots and reduce opacity for gradual correction. You can alternate with the paint or erase tool to refine edges. Once satisfied, use the blur or smudge lightly to finish by inspecting the repaired area at 100% and across multiple zoom levels to catch seams or repeating patterns. When everything looks consistent, flatten the image onto a new file and export as PNG or PSD to preserve quality. If you notice a visible seam or pattern, use the healing tool and resample sources slightly offset. That variation breaks repetition. Make sure to save iterative versions so you can revert if a fix introduces new artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.